there, it's Aaron from TrafficGuard, and today I'm going to show you how to set up click frequency rules within your TrafficGuard dashboard. You would want to navigate to Traffic Control, Validation Rules. You can then click Add New here. You want to select the validation type of click frequency, and here is where you will set those conditions. So the example we'll say today is going to be the brand campaign. Now the conditions you set are completely up to you, but what a lot of our clients will set up is the click frequency rule of 3 clicks on the brand campaign. What this means is that TrafficGuard will block this user from seeing ads from the brand campaign after 3 clicks. So if Aaron was in a 24-hour period was to search for the branded search term for a 4th time, TrafficGuard would have already blocked that user from seeing any ads from the auction for that particular campaign, which in this instance is the brand campaign. So to do this, you will set the condition here as free. At the campaign level, we can set there for 24 hours. You would then apply it to the campaign here, so we can just click brand, confirm, click save, and you're all done.